Welcome to AppSolvers. Have you wondered why it does calling React setState method not mutate the state immediately? In this React app, this button is calling a function that is updating the count. Updated state is being displayed inside the button. But if I console log before and after set count, both logs will display old state. See this, before set state 3, after set state 3, but here count is 4, here count is 5, and now here before set state 4, after set state 4. So these console logs are showing previous or old state. The reason console log is not showing updated state is because set state in React is asynchronous. The state update does not take effect immediately, but instead schedules a re-render, during which the new state is reflected. When you log the state right after calling setState, it still shows the previous value because the update has not been applied yet. To fix it, you can use useEffect hook to log the updated state after the component re-renders. So we can use useEffect hook and then use console log inside it. Count is 1, before set state 0, after set state 0, from useEffect 1, from useEffect 2, and count is 2, count is 3, from useEffect count 3. UseEffect runs after component re-renders, so it will log the updated state. By adding count as a dependency in the dependency array, UseEffect will run each time count changes, ensuring the updated state is logged again. If you are not using hooks and are using class-based components, then you can use console log inside callback function after the state is updated. That will make sure you log the updated state value always. And this is how you can get updated state value in React.js. I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.